Yo, what is good, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing our first ever mystery unboxing. This unboxing is sent over straight from Vault 813. Now, if y'all don't know who Vault 813 is, man, it is a store out in Tampa, Florida. They got a lot of heat. Now, recently I went out there with my boy Flight and my boy Holla at Crazy, and no pun intended, I went crazy in there. When I went to Vault 813, I picked up the Yeezy 700 V3 Atheris, and also I picked up the shoe that's right here on display. I picked up the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lotus up there spinning. It's right here in the display. So if you don't know, Vault 813, they have the heat, bro. I'm not gonna hold you, they have the heat. So today, Vault 813 and me collabed on this mystery unboxing. Now, I don't know what's in it. Like, y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all seen these videos before. They kind of popular on Instagram and YouTube. Inside this box, we have about 400 of them things. $400 of clothes, shoes, whatever they decide to pack in it. You know it's only right if I bring y'all with me and we open this thing up together. So spam the comments up right now. I will be doing more of these videos in the future. As you guys know, I told y'all I'm trying to switch up the content 2021. I'm trying to bring y'all different videos, different ideas, okay? Just different stuff to bring to the channel, and this is one of them. Now I want to continue this and continue to get bigger mystery boxes. So this one is like a $400 mystery box just to start out, but pretty soon I want to start hitting those areas where I'm doing a $1,000 mystery box, $5,000. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to your boy. I'm just playing, bro. Like, they're a little pricey, but still I'll do it if y'all want to see it. So if y'all do want to see it, make sure you spam up the comment section and spam up the like. Last but not least, guys, the merch is still available right now. The Dream Big merch is available on pre-order. The link is down below. I'm gonna step to the side and throw it up on screen. You guys can head over to Shop Thrift Guru, buy the merch now, bro. It's only up for pre-order for a limited amount of time, and y'all have been going crazy. I don't even know how I'm gonna get all these orders out in time, bro. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to close the pre-orders because the merch is just going too fast. So thank you guys so much for copping the merch. Like I said, it will be over soon. And yes, the link is down below to buy that. I got the shirts and the hoodies, V-Long inspired, Dream Big on the front with the world graphic in the back. But without further ado, man, let's open this box up and see what Vault 813 sent your boy, man. Rich, how much? You think it's gonna be some heat in here, bro?
I think it's gonna be some fire.
You think it's gonna be something crazy?
Fire.
I'm hoping so, man. I've never done one of these videos before, so I'm kind of nervous. $400 ain't a lot, so that's why I wanted to kind of start a little low, you feel me? I didn't want to start too high and just go for something crazy. Like I said, I will be linking Vault 813's Instagram down below as well. They ship if you buy anything from them. They got a lot of stuff, bro. Like, they got Air Mags, they got Chunky Dunkies, they got Strange Love, they got a whole bunch of stuff. Now, I'm not going to look inside the box, you feel me? I'm not going to take away the suspense. I'm going to come up just nice to here. We got a lot of filler. The box ain't that big, so I don't know what it can be. You know what I'm saying? I feel like hat first. And as y'all can see, I just started wearing the hats. Shout out to my boy Kai. He sent over the Dream Crew Next Chapter collab with the hat. Y'all know I really don't wear hats like that, so I'm trying to get into it. But we gotta fit it. This is a gingerbread fitted. This is $100. Okay, hold on. I don't know a lot about hats. I'm gonna hold you. Like I said, I'm literally new. But $100 for a hat. Okay, so this is the new era fitted. It says the gingerbread fitted, and it's a 7.5. So any of my guys out there who rock hats, please let me know what this gingerbread. It look like a gingerbread man holding like a candy cane. You get a close up on that, like a candy cane, and it look like he's playing baseball with the candy cane. And then it has like the number 8, I believe, on the back. I'm not familiar with this. Maybe this is like a collab with somebody, or maybe it's just like limited some way somehow. I don't think it's like a, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, but it's $100. So whoever rocking hats, $100 hat. Have you ever bought a $100 hat, bro?
No.
Okay, yeah, me either. So first we have Yeezy 350. Okay, so we got the Yeezy 350 and it's my size. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got. That's one thing about like the mystery boxes. You never truly know what's gonna be in the box. So you might get stuff that's your size, you might get some stuff that's not your size, but regardless, you never know what it's gonna be. All right, let's open these up. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I don't even have these. I do not have these. Now, they are my size. I do not own a pair of these, bro, which is lucky because I'm not gonna hold you. When Yeezy was going crazy and like the 350 hype was like out of the world, I think I bought like every pair of Yeezy 350s. To the point where like when I moved into my new place, I sold like 8 pair of Yeezys because I just had way too many. I'm gonna grab the pair that reminds me of this one real quick. To me, this colorway is almost the like exact opposite. You see, it's like this is the light version, this is the darker version. So if this was like a Jordan, this would be the away version and this would be like the home version. You get what I'm saying? You see how they kind of look the same, just one darker, one lighter. I don't even remember the name of this Yeezy. I'm not even sure I remember when it came out. This is the Yeezy Azrael. Okay, so it's the Azrael. This is the Azrael. What the hell? Which one is this? I don't even remember which one this is, man. Like I said, Yeezy's been coming out with so many different colorways. So many of them are so close that I don't even remember half the time. But the first shoe we got in here is the Yeezy Azrael. Now, I'm not sure how much these go for. Let me check my phone real quick. I'm sorry, excuse me. These are not the Azrael. These are the Carbons. My bad. These are the Yeezy Carbons. And these go for in a size 12. These go for $254. So that's not too much off the retail price. I mean, we all know that retail for these are like, what, $220? And the hat is $100. So that's $354 already, you know what I'm saying? So we got $354. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so if we at $354, that means, you know, my math is right. I mean, we only missing about $50 roughly. So sometimes you get over what you pay for, and sometimes you get like the exact amount. So I'm gonna go in here and see what else he got. And it's a tee. It's a tee. I'm wondering what kind of tee. This is a, damn, $150. V-Long City Merge Drip Tee. Okay, so we all are familiar with the V-Long, all right? So the V-Long, let me see what we got, man. Let me see what we got in here with the V-Long. Now, V-Long is one of those brands where, is this my size though? Is it my size? It's a large. I'm a medium, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you, but today I'm gonna be a large. So that iconic V on the back, that V-Long, my cousin who's recording this video, he loves some V-Long. So I'm looking at the way he's looking at this shirt. This is hard. Yes, sir. Now it says on the front, City Merge. Now I'm not sure, well, it has to be like some type of collab, but the colorway of this is fire. As y'all can see today, I'm wearing like, it's for the fit. Yeah, right. I can throw this on right now with the Bread 4s and the hat. So yeah, this is crazy. Now this shirt goes for $150. The shoes go for $245, and the hat was $100. So let me do my math. So that is a total of $504. And like I said, it's a $400 mystery box. So you see how I got more than what I paid for. Now, if you guys want to check out anything over at Vault 813, like I said, I will be linking them down below. I shot with them before. I came to the store before. If y'all have never seen the video where I actually came there, I did like a shopping with complex type idea in the store. I introduced the people that work there. I looked around the store. After that, I shopped a little bit. Like I said earlier, I got the Jordan 1 Low, Cactus Jack, and then I got the Yeezy 700 V3 Atheris as well. So huge shout out to my guys over there at Vault 813. The $400 mystery box. How you feeling about this one, bro? You think it's worth it? Yeah. Yeah, I definitely think it's worth it. And then when you look at it, bro, you can wear this together, low key. I mean, maybe I got lucky because all this kind of flows together. But the one thing that kind of threw me off was the hat. I didn't know hats go for $100. I'm not a hat guy. I'm new to this. So somebody please let me know what this gingerbread fitted is about for $100 because jeez. Anyways, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then leave a comment down below. And like I said, let's spam up the likes and spam up the comments so I can start doing more of these bigger boxes. I want to do boxes like the size of this damn table, but in order to do that, I need y'all to rock with me. So until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we'll be putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.